Hi friends, in this video, I'm gonna review a mini induction heater. It is a 120 watt induction heater and its operating voltage can be from 5 volt to 12 volts. So without further ado, let's start this video.
If you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notified about my new videos. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have a second channel, Canitech, do check it out as well. Subscribe and support it. All the links are in the description.
Induction heaters work on eddy current heating method, which is also known as induction heating. In eddy current heating, a piece of metal is placed within a high frequency current carrying coil. By doing so, eddy current are induced in the metal piece and heating is produced in the metal piece. So this is our induction heater module. Let's fix everything and test the module.